Welcome teachers! In this video, we will briefly introduce you to the use of AI chatbots. Then we will provide you with some tips on how to use them within your physical education lessons. First off, let's take a look at what AI chatbots are. They are artificial intelligence tools designed to have human-like conversations. Chatbots retrieve freely available text data on the web, and they can answer questions and perform various language-related tasks. When users input their words formulating questions, Chatbot uses its pre-trained knowledge to provide answers and continue the conversation if users give prompts. Chatbots interact with users in real time through text, or in some cases, with voice or a combination of both. All chatbots are accessible through any device with a web browser. Let's explore potential advantages of using chatbots with students. Chatbots can support students in their learning process, answering their questions, summarizing and organizing information and ideas. They can promote students' active engagement and autonomy in learning, and can foster their critical thinking and collaborative skills. AI tools have benefits, but we need to be aware of the drawbacks. Chatbots can generate false, inaccurate, unreliable or outdated information due to various factors, including users' prompts and algorithm limitations. But if properly used, they can promote students' problem-solving, imagination and research, and support teachers in their work. Students should always seek feedback from their teachers to ensure proper usage of chatbots, and teachers should motivate students to use them for their research, review bots' answer, think critically, and, when in doubt, check the sources. Now let's see how to combine the feedback individual reports with the use of AI within your physical education classes. First and foremost, check national and school policies about the use of artificial intelligence tools within school. It's also wise to communicate with your colleagues about your plans and reasons for using AI tools with students. Finally, raise students' awareness about the importance of critical analysis of the quality of outputs and invite students to ask for your feedback whenever they need it. It's very important to guide students to obtain information about a tailored exercise plan. Ensure that students have performed the fitness tests and have obtained their feedback report. Next up, explain students that their questions to AI tools should be specific. They should ask open-ended questions and avoid questions where the answer can be yes or no. And lastly, to ask further details in additional prompts, for example, by asking details regarding motivational aspects. Invite students to create their own exercise plan and encourage them to discuss it with classmates in pairs or small groups. Encourage students to identify barriers to exercise practice and prompt them to consult AI tools once more for guidance on adjusting their workout plans to overcome these barriers. Always motivate students to use chatbots in their learning and researching and to think critically. Don't forget to offer your revision and feedback.